welcome. This is me, Vishakha Pandit. और आज only on Zoom we have two great friends. Ladies, firstly, welcome on Zoom.
Thank you.
प्यार दोस्ती है वाला डायलॉग सुन के हम सब बड़े हुए हैं, लेकिन आप लोगों के लिए दोस्ती क्या है?
प्यार.
Correct.
But then if I ask you both, पहली बार वो दोस्ती कब हुई थी? And you know what was the first बार जब जिसको मिले थे ना, क्या था कि कैसा लगा था कि अच्छा ये श्वेता के बारे में एक फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन क्या था? श्वेता, आपका मल्लिका के बारे में वो फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन क्या था?
So, ma'am, I'll start.
Please, ये तो मुझे भी सुनना है. When Malzu talks, I'm all ears.
Perfect, yes.
So basically, I knew Shweta before she knew me, obviously, because everybody knew Shweta.
Oh.
Like I remember जब मैंने पहली बार श्वेता को देखा था, मैं मसान देख रही थी and मेरी बहन इतनी stupid है, she gave me a spoiler. She's like, she does Wolfie. I'm like, what is wrong with you? And then I was like very invested. I was so upset. I was so upset when like I watched Masan. Then I saw her. I would keep seeing her, you know, like in the news and everywhere. I never thought we'd be friends. So I think it was that time my career also. I was like a sweet little girl in Delhi in an ad agency. So I knew her as Shweta Tripathi. And then I remember at some point there was this YRF film, I think, where you played a visually impaired character also. I remember that also. And then, you know, this one show happened that Disney wanted to cast me in called The Trip.
Yes.
And I knew that, thank you, and I just heard that they were casting, they were talking to people here, there. You know, we'd heard some names and then they said, Shweta Tripathi. I'm like, wo wali! And I was like very intimidated. I was like, oh shit, एक proper actor भी है, oh ho, अब तो we can't like screw around and all. And then one day randomly, I get the warmest, sweetest, cutest message from Shweta Tripathi, okay, on my WhatsApp. And I'm like really hardly nobody by then. And this cute little message, and then we started texting and we just became friends. And I think the next day we met at the Disney office, I think, right? Or something.
Yeah.
And now, I think now it's better that you hear it from her perspective now, because that was my whole experience.
Well, she was a fan एक तरीके से.
Yeah.
She's because Masan was such a big thing then.
Yeah.
But then now also rather. But what about you? When you got to know कि अच्छा, you know, Mallika दुआ के साथ काम करना है, she feels she wasn't a big name. I would not agree to that thing.
No, as in I had just started out,
yeah,
right?
But still,
that
I would
was
say
my
your videos are pretty impactful then also. Fun, I would say.
social impact खास करके बहुत
तगड़ा
ज़्यादा
था
मेरे
but yes.
videos का.
What about you? What was your first impression, you know, when you got to know Mallika के साथ काम है and you know the friendship bloomed between the two of you? What was that like?
किसी भी when you do a project, the cast is very important.
Yes.
Because आप on screen तो आप काम करते ही हो और हम वो characters को देखते हैं. But it is what happens off screen, because that nobody is seeing. There are no cameras on, but you're feeling it. You are having those conversations, and I think life is all about how people make you feel.
Yes.
So जब मैंने ये नाम सुने थे that there is Lisa Hidden, there is Sapna Pabbi, and there's Mallika Dua.
Okay.
So you know, just there was something about it कि it was a no-brainer कि ये तो करना ही करना है. And Malls since then was this person who was just making people feel good even if you didn't know her personally. Like, you know, through your phone, through our screens, she was spreading those vibes, and I just felt वो तो बाद में पता चला कि she's a Cancerian as well, and I think Cancerians are just amazing in But वो मतलब there was a lot of excitement, and I wanted to reach out because I felt that from the content that she used to make कि यार इसको तो जानना है. And वो कहते हैं ना कि love at first sight. It was literally that वो थोड़ी भी झिझक नहीं थी मैसेज करने से पहले, या जब मिले भी we met like old friends.
Yeah.
It was not like we were meeting for the first time.
Okay.
And I'm sure even people around us or even Cheetah, it was instant. वो कुछ warm up की भी जरूरत नहीं थी कि आपका favorite color क्या है या किसको follow करते हो. Nothing.
And it's not like we're bonding over तू Delhi से या मैं भी Delhi से.
Yeah.
It wasn't that. It was just a very human like.
Okay.
And even the first flight, I remember somehow everybody was on a different flight or different seats, but somehow our seats were
The universe was saying.
I'm telling you, flights are a thing. I just realized.
Yeah, she has a very strong connection with flights.
She does have.
And we have a very cute photo from that also, and I think both of us wearing red, and हम मतलब
अब दिखाना अभी.
I will, please give it to me.
दूसरे के ऊपर थे, and that was maybe a
एक दूसरे के ऊपर थे.
Sounds
Shweta's PR is glorious at this point. Shweta.
But tell me one thing, because you know, दोस्ती बहुत ऐसा, like in the industry, it's like पक्के दोस्त बहुत मुश्किल से मिलते हैं, that you know, and people who actually stick by your highs and lows are very difficult. So tell me one such trait about each other that you know over the time that you have started to like, but initially एक दूसरे के बारे में वो आपको पसंद नहीं था.
पसंद नहीं था.
Yeah, like a quality, maybe something that you know Shweta does that Mallika didn't like initially, but now अब आदत हो गई उस चीज की. You've grown with it now.
I don't think there's anything she did that I never liked.
Okay.
To me, I think what worked was like I have an older sister, ठीक है, मेरी बड़ी बहन है और मैं उसको हर तरह से आइडलाइज करती हूँ, you know. तो मेरे लिए श्वेता भी वैसे ही, हाँ, कि मतलब if she is saying this, it would be right types, you know. Wow. So there are many times, like Shweta never plays good cop with me because she's my friend, you know. There's a lot of like, you should be better, hence you should do this wala. Like, because there's a lot of friendships that like let you just do what you want, right? They may not necessarily translate into growth for you. So I don't think there's ever been any like mincing of words. I think
she's been very brutally honest with you.
Not even brutally, it's just been honest because I think हम लोग work पे मिले ना,
yeah.
and हमारा work भी ऐसा था कि सब के I think असली रंग ही निकल आए थे एक हफ्ते में, सब सोए नहीं थे, खाए नहीं थे. So and I try to just show up as I am, that you know I'm not someone who aims to be liked by everybody. I'm not someone who doesn't.
That we have seen that in your videos.
So I'm not somebody who's trying to what do you say? I don't mince my words ever. I think I just came from outside. So in fact, I think my ways and means might have been a bit surprising for people, but I think over the years, I have spent time in this industry and kind of understood that ये परिवार नहीं है, ये office है. So you have to treat it as such, and if you find friends that really feel like family,
home like family, yes.
Yeah, you have to keep them, and you know, surprisingly, we don't. Like we talk about work, but that's like a percentage of what a small percentage. Talk about everything else. Colors, prints, destinations, food, like it's a very colorful, it's like how your relationship with your family is. It's not one of those networking ki, चला यार ना ये हो रहा है चल इसको ये करते हैं.
That's kind of the truest friendship जहाँ पे आप हर किस्म की बात कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, it's not a collab. Like you don't even see us putting content together, right? Like we'd be shooting together all the time if it was one of those friendships. Because there's a lot of those friendships.
It would be so funny, na?
Yeah. There's a lot of those marriages also.
So guys, always meeting like this only. Like you know, हमेशा I'm here at Shweta, I'm here at Mallika. Always that way around. Looks so funny.
But वो भी ठीक है क्योंकि हम ही वो
till
content consume करते हैं.
Till a point, yes, but not like she said. Every time that we meet, only through content that way around.
Also, it helped ना कि मतलब हम दोनों इतने भी बच्चे नहीं थे जब हम मिले थे. We were not like about all of this. But I don't think there's any habit of Shweta's that I ever disliked.
That you didn't like. Okay, what about you? Was there something, a trait of Mallika?
Yeah, I'm sure. Plenty.
No, but you know, Malls made me realize, and in the nicest way, that it's like जो आप अपने किसी family member के लिए feel करते हो ना, कि अब now this is the person, and all of us have our days, have our highs and lows and things that we should be working on, and hopefully with good friendships and relationships, that is what you learn. Okay. And what she was talking about honesty, I think वो किसी भी relationship में respect and honesty बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Yes.
क्योंकि अगर हम एक दूसरे की वाहवाही करते रहेंगे तो फिर वो growth कैसे होगी? And you rather hear it from people who respect you and love you and care for you, rather than वो कोई इडलू पिडलू कोई कुछ कह रहा है और you know ये बात नहीं है, तो वो तो हमेशा चलता ही रहेगा. But it is that I think you should take feedback or criticism from who you take advice from. Because वो जब कह रहे हैं ना, उनका कोई
hidden agenda नहीं है.
Exactly, agenda नहीं है.
They're not saying to hurt you.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, तो I think वो growth बहुत ज़रूरी है. And with Malls it was वही कि you love somebody, you are accepting them as a whole. तो अब चाहे जो भी हो, this is the person, and it depends on you. How, if something is bothering you, then say it. And if you are not saying it, then don't let it bother you. So it was that कि चाहे सही गलत के बहुत दूर और बहुत बड़ा वो ब्रैकेट आप नहीं कर सकते हो कोई रिलेशनशिप दैट.
Yeah, like I think to give you an example, like if we're on set, okay, and there is something that both of us feel is wrong, or like multiple, I'm a bit, I was, let's say, I was more reactive. Because I came from the outside completely. Like I had not spent a day working my way up here. I literally just came, right? So there are a lot of unwritten rules इस business में जो कोई आपको नहीं बताता, जो आप सीखते हो धीरे धीरे, right? हाँ, you learn them as lessons or you learn them as losses or you learn them as wins, that depends. तो मैं हमेशा मेरा अप्रोच थोड़ा रिएक्टिव होता था, जो कि उस मोमेंट में मुझे ग्रेटिफिकेशन मिल जाता था कि दिस पर्सन डिड मी रॉन्ग, आई मे लेट देम नो. बट over the years you realize that everybody holds grudges, there's a way in which shit functions, and I used to see Shweta delaying the approach of I will not pick this battle right now. You know, I would see her pick her battles, let's just say, and I did not pick any battles, I will fight all of them. So I think that was a big difference in our approach, and I realized over the years I've realized how it works, because ये एक unorganized industry है ना, ये कोई एक ऑफिस नहीं है जिसके रूल्स लिखे हुए आते हैं. आपने एक तरह से लाइफ जिए with certain rules, then you come into a business that has completely different rules and all are unwritten but assumed. So how do you learn them? You learn them on the job, or you learn if you have friends who've been around longer and in different, like she's dabbled in a lot of different aspects of the business also, right? Not just acting.
Yes.
So there's this whole 360 coverage that's happened, and as opposed to me who just came like, hello, how dare you treat me like this?
पर वो मेहनत भी बहुत सालों से हो रही है.
You had been building your base since very long, and she has also built up. I was just telling her that, you know, it's not like she just came and she got the success. She's seen the highs and उन्होंने देखा है वो सारा success के बाद
that's
भी वो
the
weight
good
देखा
part.
है. I think she's always stayed grounded for that matter. I think that's the best part about
Very,
Shweta.
very grounded.
So I think, yeah, but tell me one thing very honestly, because okay, I'll make a confession that, you know, I don't have too many besties. I have like one or two of them, because everybody has like a very limited ones. But I get very jealous if my bestie has another bestie. I get very possessive कि ठीक है हम लोग रोज बात नहीं करते हैं, लेकिन ये क्या मतलब हो, ये replacement तुमने ready कैसे रखी है, like, you know, that way around. So for you guys, if somebody else tries to befriend her, or maybe somebody tries to befriend her, 2-3 बार आप देखोगे अच्छा ये ज़्यादा wait I'll just ये ऐसे होगा Mallika, this has to be like this. So करता है. Like, you know, friends become very over possessive over their besties, I would say. So how are you guys? Like, you know, do you also feel very possessive and territorial about your best friend, or what is it like for you guys?
When I was in Delhi and staying with Malls and her, I met her friends. All of them, I love the kind of conversations they have. I love how driven they are. कोई business कर रहा है, मतलब सब अलग-अलग चीजें कर रहे हैं. And I feel I never felt that this is the again first time I'm meeting, and that's because of her.
The comfort,
that is
yes.
because of the bond that she's had over a period of time. So I respect that. अगर जो पहले से दोस्त हैं, वो मैं किसी को हम replace करने थोड़ना है.
Correct.
Exactly. आप अपनी जगह बना लेते हो. And again, like you said, कि ऐसा नहीं है कि हम रोज नहीं बात कर रहे होते हैं. But I can guarantee that we think about each other every day.
Daily, yeah.
And we are wishing well for each other, and both of us are in our own ways space cadets. तो पर वो बहुत important है realize करना that we are on the same team. तो अगर misunderstanding touchwood जो ऐसे आज तक but we know हमारा intent क्या है, हमें पता है एक दूसरे के लिए what our feelings are and how we would always be cheering. तो चाहे कोई best friend आए या कोई work person आए, we will be cheering for that relationship, because healthy relationships are important. We do not talk much about it. हम सब अपने phone में screens में इतना घुसे हुए हैं कि आप वो ये interaction ही भूल चुके हो. It's how you make each other feel, and also that not having judgment. I can tell her anything, and I don't even have to be like point whatever % thinking that मल्स को क्या लगेगा. मुझे पता है मल्स को क्या लगेगा, चाहे मैंने जो भी लाइफ में किया.
You already imagined the response, but you still like, okay, this is what I feel.
And in fact, we've had, I remember some conversations where if I have done something or if I'm thinking like that, she will वो हाँ में हाँ नहीं भरेगी, वो अपना बोलती है कि नहीं I think ऐसा है, and it's not an argument. क्योंकि किसी एक का सही दूसरे का गलत हो सकता है, and thankfully, and I think because that comes from the upbringing that both of us have had, thankfully, that हम हमारे thoughts तो अच्छे हैं भाई, so we are very happy about that.
But tell me one thing, because you know now that you say this way around that, you know, जो सच है वो सच है, जो झूठ, like there's no barricade between the two of you. Which was this one character of hers that you simply loved, like Masan, so you said not Masan, and one character that you felt that okay, even though people loved it, but you were like, okay, I think I know Shweta, and I know that, you know, she could have done it much better, like, or maybe she's just holding back her potential, something of that sort, that you felt that it could have been, if it's 10 on 8, it could have been 10 on 9 or 9.5 had she put on a little more effort, like, you know, as a friend, because
10 on 8 तो बहुत अच्छी performance होती है।
Exactly.
Whatever your
That's my
opinion on
perception of me in my head.
But then still, well, कोई ऐसा character that you feel that Shweta could have?
So, okay, I think my favorite character of hers is Dr. Shreya Pathare from Lakhon Mein Ek. Best.
Yes.
I'm not just saying this कि वो friend है और मैं offend करना नहीं चाहती, but genuinely like I think literally everything she's done since I've known her, because I know the process, na?
Yes.
Like it's every little thing, like from the playlist the character hears, to the perfume the character wears, to the the way the character thinks. There's a lot. It's very deliberate. Okay. So I can never just evaluate it. I liked it and I didn't like it. Though I would say I think like we were all children. Like Kya Mast Hai Life was I think one of the best things.
I loved it.
Yeah, like I
loved
would love to see her do something like that again. But I think she'd do it differently this time.
I love that show. Like मतलब मेरा बचपन है वो.
Oh, that's Shweta off screen by the way.
Yeah, I met her.
Yeah, that is off screen.
और मुझे सच्ची में लगा इन लोगों ने इनको क्या ऐसे ऑफ रिकॉर्ड रिकॉर्ड कर लिया क्या? This is trying.
Because they're all grown adults, like But I feel it's the same.
Only that around all chill.
But like अभी अगर वही शो आता तो वो कैसे करती? I'd like to see. But genuinely there is no like performance in whatever in the entire career. Like I've even named like short films and all, right?
Yeah.
So I have no.
Okay.
And if there was, I would tell her.
Okay. What about you, Shweta? Which was Mallika ka favorite comedy act, or maybe some gig or something that she did that you were like, or maybe acting thing that you were like, ये मेरा best है. Like this is like Mallika set a bar for herself. Which one was that for you?
I think Mals ने अभी तक जो भी किया है that is of a certain level and caliber. But I think Mals के talent को हमने explore नहीं किया
है ना?
She has studied acting. So she is very intelligent. In fact, she had just done a podcast, and a friend of mine was handling the production side of it, and he heard her talk, and he was shocked, surprised, because he thought कि Mals ऐसी बात.
He thought I'm some lafunter. I mean, I don't blame him.
And I was like, exactly, तो लोगों को पता ही नहीं है जो मुझे पता है. Like लोगों को literally, even though she puts herself out there, people know a very small percentage. We
can't
of
even
who
see the
she
tip of the
really
iceberg.
is.
We can't say. Yeah.
She is capable of so much more. So I feel that even as a storyteller, I really want to push people to find that side, because I'm telling you, जब लोगों को वो side पता चलेगी ना, when they see that, feel that performance, फट जाएगी लोगों की. Because there is nobody.
I love how Mallika like.
Hype squad.
Because that needs to be seen. Because लोगों का ना perception होता है, और हम लोग बहुत lazy होते हैं अपने imagination में. We love putting people in boxes and stereotypes से उनको label कर देते हैं. She can break all of that. Just because अब now लोगों को अच्छा लगता है. In fact, I remember हम लोग एक बार खान मार्केट में थे, and it was not a great day for us personally. Okay. But now लोग आके they want the same thing from Mallika.
Yeah,
like they want her to be smiling, laughing, or cracking a joke, or saying something witty, or making their day. भाई वो भी इंसान है. तो मतलब मुझे वो लग रहा था कि how can you, and she was very gracious about it. Yeah. She was very, वो जिस तरह से बात करती है, जिस तरह से, again, even in no matter how she's feeling, she's still giving you that much respect. Yes. तो I feel यार come on, थोड़ा तो मत भूलो कि जो public figures हैं, जिनको आप like, share, subscribe सब कुछ करते हो, पर
they also have their highs and lows.
Exactly, और उनके भी emotions होते हैं. So I think that needs to be respected, and definitely Mals needs to be explored. Be it a character, be it a short film, be it whatever the medium might be, whatever the platform might be. And also she's super intelligent. I feel that she's my Google. अगर मुझे कहीं भी किसी चाहे अगर
You need a better Google, darling. Come on.
I would want to copy paste अगर and she doesn't make me feel, I make the I think Cheetah and Mals के सामने they really think that how do I survive in the outside world. Okay. But they never make me feel like that. मैं चाहे जितनी भी बेवकूफ़ी गलती कुछ इतनी गलत चीज़ें बोलती हूँ ना, जब सोशल मीडिया पे आऊँगी तो मैं तो खत्म ही हो जाऊँगी. I'm sure. But they never make me feel like that. वो बस जब एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं तो वो हंसते हैं, मजाक उड़ाते हैं मेरे बारे में. But whatever question I might ask, no matter how silly or stupid it might sound, she will tell me without making me feel small और कि अरे मुझे तो कुछ पता ही नहीं है. तो ऐसी फ्रेंडशिप्स यार बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं. हमें हमारे बहुत गोल्स भी हैं. हम साथ में प्रोड्यूस करना चाहते हैं, हम साथ में ऑफ कोर्स परफॉर्म करना चाहते हैं.
हम एक शॉप खोलना
शॉप
Wow,
खोलनी है. Yes,
उसमें क्या होगा वो हम बताएंगे
देखेंगे
नहीं.
वक्त के समय. Wow,
कुछ
okay.
होगा.
So if there are any people who are listening to this, then वो अपने आप funds ready रखिए क्योंकि हमारे पास हमारे business plans बहुत ज़्यादा हैं.
And you understand, you'll get pretty much successful because
Exactly.
because ये ladies के पास दिमाग बहुत है, like you know, to run that business.
But
for that
you see
matter.
what I was talking about. If Shweta wanted, she could have just said any character,
Yes.
right? कि हाँ ये बहुत अच्छा था.
But she-
Flattery
yeah,
done,
exactly.
discussion over. But that's not the kind of friendship it is. It's more like an older sibling or a parent very often or anything. कि I see you for what you are, not for what.
The world is
Yeah.
trying to portray you as. But tell me one thing, because you know I have a very love-hate wala bond with, like, you know, I have a very soft way of talking to my bestie's husband, and you know we literally gossip, and I'll just tease him by some inner joke, and he'll be like, "Arey, tu mil," that, you know, that kind of a bond. So if I ask you, what kind of a bond do you have with Cheetah now that you know we are talking about?
Oh, it's
him?
fab.
What
It's
about
like-
do you have like an inner gossip or some like
Yeah,
something that you
yeah.
talk about her?
So Cheetah is a whole other entity. Like one thing we have in common is Shweta. But like there's a whole other like bonding that happens there because his sense of humor is very similar to mine.
Okay.
Like it's very savage, and Shweta's is like a nice sense of it. She's not evil. Like
She's not evil.
she's not
okay.
evil, okay? But like हम लोग को पता है क्या है, you know? Because I think he also like has a couple of Delhi friends,
Yeah.
and he's married a Delhi girl. He gets it, you know?
Okay.
And it's just so much fun. Like it's so much fun when we hang together because we're always laughing or we're eating or we're talking. And I'll tell you, the other thing is he's a great listener. Like Shweta is a great listener. He's a great listener.
Oh.
He'll always be interested in asking you questions, and not in a curiosity कि क्या कर रहे हो way, but कैसे सोचते हो way. You know,
Okay.
he's very how do you say? Some people are interested in people, right, and their journeys. It's that, and a very wholesome person, like, you know, a sportsman, an artist, an actor, good, healthy, well brought up, good family, all of that's a very wholesome person.
But do you have gossip sessions about Shweta?
Matlab in front of her.
In front of
Yeah.
her, like. But what is the most common thing that you pull her leg with? The two of you when you are combined together,
I
like,
think
you know,
pronunciation.
okay, which is that one word that she mostly pronounces wrong?
Some though we can't say here.
Obviously, but
I remember एक तो मल्स के सामने हुआ था. I said कि क्या है conflicted property.
हाँ, ये ना conflicted property है मल्स. मैंने कहा disputed. She said, yeah.
you meant it.
But one day we were in Unwrap in the hills, and she's like, Malsu, you know, they have wood fried pizzas here. Like, what is that exactly? Wood fried pizza? और आप तो fried खाते नहीं हो. I said, sure, this wood fired pizza. Oh, वही मैं सोच रही थी कि wood पे fry कैसे करेंगे.
But with
Yeah.
them, literally like my all guards are down. जब मल्स and चीता के साथ होता है ना, मैं तो सारी चीजें literally I think what also really works is we know कि कब किसका क्या ज़्यादा stronger है, and like I'm sure she does not like to Google map or whatever. But when we are there, because I am such a nalla pao when it comes to
I loved
Google
it.
Maps, she takes care. तो हमारा वो चार्ज होता है. Like कभी कभार अगर मुझे हम we are with a group of people and generally अगर मेरी patience होती है, but अगर मुझे भूख लग रही है और मेरी patience एकदम जा चुकी है, तो without even saying, without even exchanging a look, Mans will take over. तो वो हम बहुत अच्छे से between the two of us, वो हम पता नहीं, मतलब वो tuning जो है ना,
वो बहुत solid set हो
सही
रखी है,
है,
like,
yeah.
I think we've been on a slightly challenging set together twice, okay, in terms of conditions, which really brought out the worst in me for sure. I don't know about any, and by worst I mean worst presentably outside.
Okay.
So I think we just got to know each other very well कि, you know, as a human being ये इनके लिए काम करता है ये, and you know, on a set you realize everything, how a person likes to live, how they like to eat, how they are when they're underslept, how they feel when they are not satisfied, what gets them, what works for them, you know. And then if you are lucky and that friendship continues beyond that, then you travel like we do. हम तो बहुत travel
And then you
ही
make so
करते हैं.
many memories.
Yeah.
Okay, on that note, I have like a quick, like before we jump to the another question, but I have like a small game part of it, and it's just like spilling a little more secrets. You answer for her, she answers for you. Okay, let's see. Who will answer more honestly and rather wittily?
She'll have the better answers. Hello, this is Mallika Dua. We are
Still,
talking
let's
to.
see. Let's see.
नहीं.
Okay. A weird talent of your friend that she's super proud of.
I have to tell you Shweta's.
Yes. एक ऐसा टैलेंट श्वेता का जो super proud है.
वो ना बहुत फनी कैरेक्टर्स करती हैं जो जिनकी सर्कुलेशन सिर्फ प्राइवेट में होती है. हाँ.
Mals makes the most amazing chai and जो खुद बनाती है and the way she will give you food, the way she will serve you food is so इतना प्यार होता है ना उसमें कि अगर उसमें नमक ना भी हो या कुछ ना भी हो फिर भी आप खुशी खुशी खा लोगे because she just so full of love.
I'm a hostess.
Okay. A job that you feel that your friend would badly fail at.
Badly fail at.
Yes. क्या लगता है जो नहीं है इनके like you know she can't do that thing ever. फ्री में भी करने को मिले तो भी ना करे, पैसा देके मिले तो भी ना कर.
Okay. Like logistics and kitchen manager.
Wow, correct.
Okay. What about you? What do you think about Mallika? A job
Lots
that you
of
feel,
jobs.
a job that you feel that she'll drastically fail at,
That's a tough one actually.
or maybe she's terrible at.
No, क्योंकि मैं तो सोच रही हूँ कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप जॉब लाइक अगर टीचर लो she'll be amazing at that. अगर आप HR लो she'll be amazing at that. अगर आप business लो
I'll tell you
she'll be
one job.
amazing with that.
Parent.
No.
100%.
No.
100%.
I'm trying to think. Okay, वो जो एकदम ही अगर कोई ऐसा कट्टर टाइप का जॉब हो जहाँ पे इमोशंस एंड ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एंड दैट डजंट मैटर क्योंकि दैट शी वोंट बी ओके विद.
Okay.
जहाँ पे मतलब लोगों को काट पीट के वो यू नो धक्का वक्का मार के
Basically, this profession that we're in right now. Basically, the job I'm in right now.
But you're not failing that one. You're not terrible at that.
Time
Just
will
FYI.
But she'll
12.
stand up for things that are right.
Yes.
She's not going to be quiet about that. तो अगर ऐसा कोई जॉब हो जहाँ आपको सिर्फ हाँ यस वो करना है पीपल प्लीजिंग करनी है she won't be and I'm glad that she
I
won't be
can't see
good at
either
that.
of you doing that thing, like you know that. Well, I think I don't see either of you. Like,
No,
you
see, there's a
don't like that
space
category. I don't
between ass licking and complete self-immolation. I
Yeah.
go for self-immolation. Yeah.
Okay, a slang that your friend uses the most.
That Shweta uses the most. Slang.
Yeah.
So many slangs. But one that she uses the most, I think, is and that is a substitute, a placeholder for anything. It could be a placeholder for a sound,
Yeah.
a fragrance, a pattern,
Just randomly?
a place, a direction.
Yeah. It could be a feeling. It could be
yeah.
Oh, you're looking zoom.
Ma'am, weather is very zing. Let's have chai.
Yeah.
Took me a while and then I figured, yeah.
Perfect. What about you? What is that one slang that Mallika uses the most?
Mals की तो डिक्शनरी है होनी चाहिए actually. There are 2 books I see another business idea which we need to do. जैसे urban dictionary होती है
Yeah.
तो वैसे that मल्स की तो बहुत पॉपुलर है. One thing that I would हम प्यार से एक हमारा है which came to my mind which both of us use is Bandusaurus. And that is up to the audience to figure out.
To
ki-
figure out.
Bandusaurus.
Yes, let them do that. Okay. If your friend would have been an animal, which one would you think that they would be, and what would you name them?
If my friend was an animal, I think she'd be either like a baby kitten तो baby होती है, or a squirrel or something sweet like that.
And what would, if you, like, let's say you had her as a pet,
हाँ.
what would you name her then? Like a squirrel, if you had a squirrel as a pet.
Wow, that's such good questions, yeah.
I don't know if she's giving me sarcasm.
No, actually, such wonderful question. Sweeta.
Sweeta.
Yeah.
I'm still trying to figure out that if she's giving me sarcasm.
No, actually, really nice ones. You could have asked some really rubbish ones, but you
क्या
didn't.
पूछती है उसमें मैं basic.
आप एक दूसरे को कैसा महसूस करवाती हैं types, you know? You didn't do
Media has
that.
asked enough. Yes. What
Yeah.
about you, Mallika? What do you think if she could be an animal? Which one would she be, and what would you name that pet as?
I think both of us I imagine as kittens.
Yeah.
You know.
You know, I think that she could have been the
Let's go for a tiger. Why are we holding back?
Shweta, you know now what she wants to be, a tiger.
Correct.
But what would you name? What would you name her?
I
If
think
you had that kitten as a pet, like let's say.
Mal Zui. Yeah, or
Sui.
Yeah.
Okay, now that you are like obviously best friends that way around, which is that one celebrity from Bollywood and Hollywood that your friend stalks on Instagram? Not regularly, but you can categorize it as stalking. Like, वो
Okay.
देखते हैं उनको.
I think from Hollywood, Timothy Chalamet.
Okay.
And from Bollywood, that's a great question, bro. That is a legendary question.
That's like.
Konkana?
Okay, Konkana. Okay, what about you? What do you think? Who does Mallika stalk? And also tell me a comedian that she actually idolizes or maybe loves
Likes.
more than her.
I think depends on the show she is watching. क्योंकि मतलब जो आप देख रहे हो तो आप उससे influence होते हो and then if you like the show and if you like the characters,
Yes.
so I think it's very seasonal that way. And comedian, so she's friends with a lot of, and one of a friend, a comedian who both of us really admire is Abhishek Upmanyu. So he,
Right answer.
Yeah, so he is somebody because just not for his comedy, because the way he delivers, the research he does, and the homework that goes behind the shows that he has, and also he genuinely makes us laugh. He
Yeah,
makes us think.
like laugh out loud.
Yeah. And he is very smart and intelligent. तो मजा आता है क्योंकि जब आप अपने peers को, people that you're fond of and you respect, when they are doing well ना, तो और जोर से cheer करने का मन करता है.
And in general, as an artist and as a person, doesn't have this air about him, कि मुझसे महान ना कोई आया है ना कोई आएगा वाला. It's the utter humility and just focus on craft. That's really, and so I'll tell you why I like that about someone who's big. They don't take themselves seriously. They don't carry the weight of their fame or their excellence, on their shoulder. Because I somehow saw that trait in my dad too, growing up. I loved that. I was like, koi farak nahi padta, So I think that's important for every artist to have.
Okay, if your life was a song, which is that one song do you think would define Shweta's life?
चले जैसे सनन सनन मैं दीवानी दिल की रानी.
I just imagine her doing that. Okay, what about her? What do you think that a song that would define her life?
अर्जुन वेली.
मेरे दिमाग में जो सबसे पहला आ रहा है वो ये लड़की है
दीवानी. I agree.
That, and also another song that actually I think for myself as well, and I think it goes with Mulls, is ना जाने कहाँ से आई है दीवानी.
I agree.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like Part-Time Lover by Stevie Wonder actually, but Bollywood has made it so.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now you put her in thinking now. Now she'll do that in the whole day. Okay. Tell me one incident from each of you. Like you'll have to tell for her that you think that if given a chance, a book or a film or a short film can be made on it, and what would you name it?
On an incident from Shweta's life.
Yeah.
I think just the way her career happened, yeah.
And what would you
like
name
the whole trajectory, everything she did.
What would you name that? What do you think will be the suitable apt name for it?
What is the term for something that appears small and gentle but carries a lot of power? Something like that. Like makes their own path, but with.
No, you put me
हाँ,
on.
इतनी जल्दी नहीं
Yeah,
आता ना
exactly,
book.
exactly.
किसी की लाइफ जर्नी पे बुक लिख रहे हो तो फटांग से थोड़ी आएगा.
Okay, what about her? Which is that one incident from her life that you feel that deserves to be or maybe should be made into, and if given a chance, what would you name it?
I think incidents तो बहुत हैं, but one thing that I think will help a lot of people and that I have been thinking about is a book on grieving. And why? Not just because of what she went through, but I think when an incident like this happens, and I've sadly seen it now, a lot of my dearest friends are going through it, and I feel if there could be a guidebook, okay, that helps you, that takes you through that phase, that journey, that how to, you are not alone, because nobody is alone in this. This is something that all of us will face sooner than later. Hopefully later, but unfortunately for some people sooner. But तब जब आप होते हो, जब आप इस literally एक whirlwind में एक storm में आप खोए हुए हो, it's literally, I think that guidebook will just hold your hand कि तब क्या क्या करना है. What are the hard conversations but important conversations to have? And this has made me think that I need to have that conversation with my parents and in-laws, and we've already started a discussion that if something happens, whenever that happens, what are the steps? Who are the doctors that should be, like, what are the things that should be discussed across a dining table, which will help each other, because तब ना आपके emotions इतने high होते हैं, you do not want to be thinking about the logistic
Yes.
bit of it.
I agree.
So what are the things that you're prepared for it, rather than then thinking कि oh my god क्या होगा कैसे होगा, because you want the best for everybody, whoever is left behind, whoever is gone. आपको with respect वो करना चाहिए, like a very very small thing, but I feel that snacks
Yes.
should be great जब लोग आ रहे हैं, because people lives should be celebrated.
Yes.
तो क्या हो सकता है, कैसे हो सकता है, and one thing another I've realized is तब चाहे एक भजन हो, चाहे वो कोई भी आप गाना तब बजा रहे हो, because it's more for the people जो रह गए हैं.
Yes.
because वो सब अपनी strength उस चीज़ों से लेते रहते हैं, and जब वो पेपर वर्क करना पड़ता है ना उस मोमेंट पे, I feel it's so unfair to the family, because there is so much more that you want to do, you want to feel. बट क्योंकि हमने वो बात ही नहीं की है, क्योंकि जैसे स्कूल में कितनी सारी चीज़ें सिखाई जाती हैं विच आर इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट कितनी नहीं सिखाई जाती हैं. तो आई फील थ्रू दैट बुक it will, no matter which religion you might be from or which person you might be losing, but it's a tongue, it will make you smile.
Yes.
It is that when you pick up that book, it's ऐसा नहीं कि वो कुछ भारी होगा. In fact it will take you step by step with whatever it is and tell you the good and bad, and because there are some people who do not, it takes a while for it to sink in as well.
Yes.
And that's also okay. It's okay to be crying loudly, crying continuously, that's also okay. But like literally a friend, a voice guiding you through those days and telling you that I've been there and look at me, and I'm still, there are days which are more difficult than the others, but I'm okay. And it is a process, so it could be offering playlist, it could be offering mantra, meditation, books, so much in this one good looking, good vibes book which people can give each other. Like I really feel that that book will have a lot of energy.
Yes.
Yeah.
That book will have a lot of faith in carrying on, even on days where you can't think straight.
I
So
can totally
that I think, and she's beautiful with words. मतलब जिस तरह से ये लिखती है, चाहे वो caption हो या फिर एक book के लिए forward हो, इतनी her thoughts are, there is a lot of clarity in emotions and with words. So I really think that her strength will give a lot of people strength and smiles.
But I would love to say here that when you went through that phase in your life, I remember before that when I had lost my Nana Nani back to back, like in 3 months span I lost both of them. So I used to feel as if maybe मेरे में कोई problem है, because it didn't sink into me, because I was practically traveling in Bombay to Delhi, I was literally living out of the suitcase. So I used to think शायद मेरे में कोई problem है, that I am acting all bold and I'm handling my mother, because both my mom and my mother both were like falling apart. But when I saw Mallika handling things so beautifully, it was like that, she was in pain, but she was giving out strength. So I'm like, this girl is in pain and she is the one who's giving out strength, and that is something I hope that somebody is noticing and praising her for, because she wants someone to be there, but then वो कह रही है कि कोई बात नहीं, मैं पेन में हूँ ना, but बाकी लोग जो मुझे
नहीं, I'll be honest with you, it wasn't.
No, but it seemed, because it was
I'll
very
tell
touch wood.
I've realized one thing. There was a friend of mine who lost both his parents in quicker succession than I
Yes.
do, and he went quiet. Okay,
Yes.
he never spoke about it. He never could get himself to speak about it, and I had the other approach. I have spoken about it as often as I
Yes,
can, because
yes.
I do it for me.
Yes.
I don't do it only for.
But you were giving so many other power.
I'm glad that happened,
Yeah.
but in that moment I was completely finished. In fact, जब आपके साथ कुछ बुरा होता है ना, आपको खुद नहीं पता आपके लिए क्या अच्छा होता है. मेरे friends ऐसे top के मैंने friends बनाए life में. There's one thing I've done right, like like when you asked that is one friend jealous of the other and whatever. Nothing. It was like one giant family. All of them had some weird unsaid network where they were like, okay, you're coming for a week. Okay, when are you leaving? I'm going to catch a flight. I'll come then. Okay, you're going this day. I'll come then. Okay, her birthday is next month.
Yeah.
I sound crazy when I say this, but my birthday, the birthday right after my mum passed, was actually a birthday that I have very fond memories of. Because all of these girls, Shweta, two of my best friends from college, they just came together like one family and made sure that, and not in a way ki khush ho yaar zindagi badi hai kind of a way, no, just like holding me together like that in love and validating every belief I have. every single, whether it is from the afterlife in some other realm, God knows what, and till date they do. You know, I think ये sisterhood होता है, ये बहुत rare होता है.
That's not best friend, that's sister.
Everyone doesn't have this, but I think I realize that क्या होता है ना कि जो चीज़ आपकी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा सच होता है ना, you want witnesses to that.
Yes.
So for me that was my family, and I had a big what do you say, ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है कि जैसे आप अपने नाना नानी की बात करो, मैं उनको नहीं जानती थी. मैं as a human being I can say you have my sympathy. Yeah. But it's a big thing that the person you are grieving and the person you are crying for and yearning for, most people know who they are. Yeah. Most people also know what makes them special, right? ये बहुत बड़ी बात है that I had that. So part of me was also speaks about them because I know how loved both of them are by so many people who don't even actually know them.
Yes.
Right? So like Shweta said, that I think it's a combination. How you sail out of that horrible place is a mix. आपके दोस्त कैसे हैं, आपके आसपास like resources कैसे हैं. तो जैसे बहुत paper work था, बहुत ये सब था, but we had help. You know, our parents educated us, so we were financially able to look after them, look after ourselves after them. Yeah. You know, therapy, everything. Like I mean, grief कहीं नहीं जाएगा, right? सबको होगा. Yes. But आपके जो resources हैं, if you're lucky you have them, and if you're lucky to be aware that you can use them, I think that's what matters. And then क्या होता है कि universe में हर तरफ से help आती है. Someone will recommend a book. Someone will, you know, the week, it's like a शादी का घर and a mourning house. Yes. There'll be food and people coming in and out because you know that it is needed. Yeah. You can't let people do it alone. You know, that is a very important spirit to keep. And even now when I look back, I remember the pain, but I also remember how just and that's what I think changed my relationship with every single friend I have today. Because the way they were there, my school friends, my work friends, my God knows kahan ke friends, college friends, like
they all came together to cocoon you in that warmth
entirely. Yeah. And those who don't have that will probably, some other resources will show up for them. Yes. You know, but let's just say I am very lucky that I'm someone who feels very proud talking about her parents. You know,
you should.
I haven't gone into a shell about that one thing in my life because I'm like, listen, this is the greatest thing that ever happened to me. You must know about these people. Wow. If you know me, then you have to know this.
This also, yes.
Nothing is better than this. You know,
but
it's
that's not true. That's the kind of friends that you've had. Yeah. But if I talk on that thing, now, because you said, you know, school friends, college friends, you got to meet all her school friends, college friends, and you've gelled with them. One such fun memory about Mallika's school or college, some secret that you want to spill, how she was as a child or when she was in college, anything?
One thing that I miss was is what I've heard, the parties at Malzi D used to go. And we've some photos of Mal ne bhi dali thi, and I remember wearing the white dress. And
I was a babe.
Wow, what is happening there? Because school में मुझे भी बहुत पसंद था ये parties throw करना. Because I think it's again an extension of love to the people we want to hang with. Because I think सबसे ज़्यादा important चीज़ जो आप किसी को दे सकते हो is आपका time.
Yes.
आप जो दे सकते हो. And that is not कि आप बैठे हुए हो और अपनी दुनिया में हो, but literally, you know, you're spending time with them physically and emotionally.
Yes.
So that's one thing that one thing that if I could go back to, was definitely her parties.
That phase.
Okay. Yeah. The next one is a very simple thing that you guys have to do, and I'm sure you guys might have already done. You've seen those videos on Instagram where, you know, the couples or maybe the besties say some dialogue और उसके बाद they predict कि उनके partner या उनका best friend क्या जवाब देगा because they are so prone to the fact of what they are going to reply. Like
what?
Yes, there are certain videos. So now we'll just put you in a little fun situations.
We are too old for social media. I didn't say that.
It's
Please
okay.
pay me.
It's okay. But then I am a little young for social media, so I'll just guide you through that. Okay. So you just have to read your bestie's mind. I'll just give you like 2-3 fun situations. So just tell me, what do you think your bestie would say on the face, and what really would have been your bestie's response in through a
Shweta will give one answer, I will give two.
Okay, the first one. If somebody comes to your bestie and say that like if they have gained a little weight, and instead of saying that you have gained weight, they'll be like, oh, are you expecting?
Huh.
So what do you think would your bestie say on the face, and what really is the response that she wishes to say? वो क्या है?
I think on the face she'd say, No, just eating really well, investing in like a good healthy life. मैंने ना देखा है कि खुशी खुशी खाओगे तो अच्छा ही रहेगा, you know. Good thoughts. I went home, my mom fed me. अंदर से she'll say, यार ये क्या है, लोग आधे mad? कौन ऐसे बात करता है? अच्छा ना, something like that. And then she'd smash it for 5 hours at the gym, and like she'd be in like supreme shape in 4 days.
Wow. Okay. And if somebody comes to Mallika and says just saying gained weight or something, gives her very some stupid ass hell
Which they
response. Yeah, I'm sure social media to bhara hua hai. But what do you think will be her response on the face and then her response in the real life?
I think it would be the same. Huh?
Okay. What would
there would not be any, and she'll be very. She'll say, "Thank you for letting me know that I'm glowing."
No, her probably say, am I telling you you are looking ugly? Am I?
Okay. What will your friend react, or maybe how will your friend react जब वो अपने बारे में कोई rumor पढ़ते हैं, be it a link up rumor or a project rumor, anything, and what is the real response that they really want to give?
I think her response would be the same. It would
Okay,
just be
what
like,
would
this is negativity. I will not engage with it beyond a point, and then she'd put that energy
Somewhere
into something that makes her better.
happy.
Yeah,
Okay,
I think that would be the one.
What
I
about
would
Mallika?
fucking explain.
What do you
it,
think will be her response if she reads some very randomish article about herself, or maybe a link up rumor or a project rumor, anything for that matter? What do you think will be her response?
You know, it depends on the rumor, because agar let's say the link up is with somebody that we like, we'll be very excited. Hum to will add fuel to the fire.
Who do you want to be linked with, Mallika?
Oh, let me think about it.
Right now, I'm totally tripping on myself. Actually, not for her. Is Rhaenyra from House of the Dragon.
Wow.
She is so.
Oh, I haven't watched House
What a performer!
But
actually, I'm stalking her these days.
Oh.
Yeah.
But then who do you want to be reading your link up rumors with?
Huh.
ऐसा कोई intelligent, smart,
है कोई?
good-looking, secure.
Definitely not a comedian then.
Okay. इतना भी सच नहीं बोलना था.
Probably not.
Okay.
हाँ यार मैं भी सोच रही हूँ.
Like a sports person.
Yes. Correct.
Okay. When
Even
you're
a director, I think.
Yeah, sure.
Because somebody who's creative,
Yeah.
somebody who's intelligent, and
Definitely.
Okay, sitting in a get together, when you hear a story that your friend is telling and you know the real story behind it, so what do you think आपका जो friend है उनके दिमाग में चल रहा है, वो आपकी कहानी सुन के उस get together में?
कि श्वेता के दिमाग
Like
में
let's say
क्या चल-
Shweta is reciting a story and you know the real story behind it. So what do you think कि Mallika के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होगा?
Mulls will add to it.
Yes.
Potent and juicy, so and we just play off that. Yeah.
Right
Improv.
answer. ये है right answer.
What about you? What do you think कि अगर आप कोई कहानी सुना रहे हो तो श्वेता वहाँ पे like what is it that is going in her head if she
I
knows
will
the
get the
real?
correct reactions.
She'd
I
be
will laugh
smiling
and,
a lot
yeah.
and she'd be like
Yeah.
but वो on the spot बकवास नहीं वो करती है.
Okay, last वाला. If your friend calls you and says that I'm in a big trouble, okay, and act as if I'm like you know.
This has happened to her with me many times.
Like for example, if Mallika calls and says, "Listen, I'm standing near the police वाले के सामने and act. हाँ, I have said that you're बीमार or something or that." How would you react to it? Like, how do you react initially when Mallika calls you for such problems in life, like this basic crisis?
Also, I have to say, in our equation, there is a very amazing unsaid, and I use that word not in a bad way, in a very good way, a very nice boundary which comes from respect, which means that the first person who's responsible for me is me.
Yes.
So you're not that contact कि मैं मतलब I'm all over the place and I'm like Shweta, come and clean my mess. No.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then this friendship would only collapse because I don't think either of us like someone who has no agency over their own life.
Yeah.
Like we both may be very different people and all, but our core values are this, that your life is in your hands. Don't mess it up and don't expect others to come and clean it. Sure, lean on me because I'm here, but don't be irresponsible and then expect that. Like we're adults about it. And now I'm actually even trying to get there with my sister, but I'm not there yet. But because I've seen a lot of friendships like that where there are no boundaries. कि मतलब फैल ही जाओ, I'm a mess, come clean it. Those friendships don't work.
Okay. And taking each other for granted.
For granted, that is
That's work.
unacceptable.
Yeah.
I agree. Okay, I have 2 questions each from her career, from your career. Let's see how much have you followed her career and what you know about it, and let's see how much you know it. Like it's 2 fun questions. Let's see. Okay, let's start with you. Name Shweta's first project And what role did she play in that project?
क्या मस्त है लाइफ ज़ीनिया खान.
Oh wow. Okay. And what about film category में अगर मैं पूछूं?
हरामखोर. Yeah, she did Haramkhor before Masan.
No, if I'm not
shit,
wrong,
she
she
did
did a
something-
short film
अबे
where
यार.
she
मुझे भी याद नहीं है.
No, I remember
अच्छा.
she played Shweta only, and I think it was Trisha.
Trishna.
Trishna
was
Yes.
before
An
Haramkhor.
AD on that.
Yes, she was.
Oh, she
part of
didn't
that.
act.
No, not act, but yes, AD in that. Okay. So
Ma'am.
Masan,
हाँ.
okay, you'll
नहीं,
get
No,
Haramkhor.
Haramkhor. But I
okay.
don't remember the name of the character. Wait, Shalu was Masan. I don't remember the name of the character.
Okay, I'll give you a character. You tell me which movie that.
Sandhya.
I'll give you a character. You tell me which movie that character was
okay,
from. Okay.
okay.
Which movie did she play the role of Mahi in?
ये बहुत ही मुश्किल है.
Mahi?
Yes, I chose it out because मुझे भी नहीं पता था.
Research बढ़िया किया आपने.
Mahi.
I was like, how do I not know this one? So then I was like, wait.
Was it that film that you did a cameo in? The loop, the Akarsh one.
This is the Rashmi Rocket. This was The Illegal.
Yes,
Surya
2019.
Sharma,
Yeah, come
Yeah.
on.
Yeah.
And I was in the US that time. कैसे पता होगा?
Let's see how much she would know. Okay.
मुझे अपना नहीं याद रहता.
Okay. Mallika did a cameo in a film. What was that film? I'll tell you the character if you want. She played the role of Dolly. Which was that film? She played a cameo there.
This is Zero.
No.
Okay, I'll give you a little hint. That
Kiara.
film,
नहीं,
that
वो तो
film
cameo
had
था.
like a very well-known, like a huge well-known actor to it, who's no more with us. But
Oh.
इससे ज़्यादा क्या मैं बोल-
English medium.
Hindi में.
Hindi medium. Yeah.
Close enough.
Okay. Let's ask you that. Mallika ने अपने career का जो start किया acting करके एक तरीके से. What was that start of her career with?
दिल्ली की लड़की. And she
No,
was
but acting career was Trip.
Yes, acting.
Actually, acting career was Dolly.
I think Galyapa पे.
मतलब वो आप sketch वैच मान लो.
हाँ,
But if you say acting fiction project, it was Hindi medium.
Yes.
And then it was the Trip.
The trip in
Yeah.
Well, guys, thank you for joining me here. I'm sure, I think, मैंने आप लोगों को I can't say like 1%, 2%. I've known you now so well. Right now, I feel as if मैं और मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड बैठ के यहाँ पे गॉसिप लगा रहे थे क्योंकि हम लोगों का बेसिक चुगली सेक्शंस ही लगते हैं. And that's like the most favorite ones. And we also are never regular, like रोज हम बात नहीं करेंगे, like as you guys said. But touchwood, I know that whenever I need to fall back, if I ever have to, I know that, even if she's not there, she is there. Like, and I think that's the kind of friendship we all have.
My bhan is 10 on 10.
makes me happy.
Yes.
बीच में हमने जब स्टार्ट किया था लेकिन जब मिडिल में I was just like I can keep because there is so much to share.
Well, this was the crazy duo, Mallika Dua and Shweta Tripathi Sharma, and this is me, Vishakha Paritz. And you do tell us in the comment section, what do you have to say about this heartfelt, completely candid conversation with these two lovely ladies sitting out here.
Thank you.